YouTube? Bobby Land coming at you with another video. Hey, if you're new to the channel, thanks for coming. If you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Guys, today we're back over on our way to see Matt over at Hornbuckle Auto Detailing and his crew. Hang out with them for a little bit. Give you kind of a behind the scenes of what goes on and some of the stuff that they do, you know. Tint windows, ceramic coatings, all the good stuff, man. They take great care of your cars. I'll put a link in the description so you can go and get your stuff done down below. Anyway, guys, how about let's go over there and see what they do. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Guys, I look forward to seeing you on the next video. We got some great stuff coming here soon. We got a Ferrari California coming up. Got a couple other things, and we'll be revisiting the 488 near the end of this month. Anyway, guys, until next video.
Dum